Well, good morning and welcome to Now Zen TV, and this morning brings you the Belgian leg of our adventure. So we're in the home of the waffle and I'm going to waffle. So we're just heading into Bruges, going to have a little look round. It's a very nice, well, changeable day. It's sunny at the moment, but there's some dark clouds about. I've got the Leica Sl3 90mm, 50mm and 21mm lenses with me, the 100 to 400 too, and also my infrared full spectrum camera with the 20 to 60 lens, which would be really nice for some of these dramatic clouds. So hopefully I'll be able to get a bit of video footage, show you around Bruges, take some nice shots and then present them at a later date. So look forward to seeing you in Bruges very shortly. So I've just arrived in Bruges, parked up near Bruges station and just started taking a walk into Bruges city centre and come across this really nice canal, which I'm now photographing in infrared with the 950 nm filter. Okay. Perfect.
Have a nice day.
You too. Just found this quirky little street with these bicycles down it. Nice shadow and light on the cobbles. Looks really good. I just need to change battery. Would you? I think it's in one of its side pockets. No. It's one with two in it. I think it's that one. Yeah. You got it? Yeah. Just hang on to that for now. I've got one bar left. Let's have a minute. Ah. So this is Bruges town centre, as you can see. It's very nice. This is the canal side here. So I think this is quite a famous shot in Bruges. Let's have a little look. I'll just have a little look over the other side. That's a nice shot. I'm just going to shoot a couple of bits with the infrared. Okay. I'll come this way. Fantastic. Thank you. We've just got this little interesting area. A few people sat socialising. Yeah. I wonder what this is. Still don't look as good as other.
Otra vez mucho. Simplemente te digo. Okay.
Oh, get this guy in it.
Que vos me decías, es lógico, vocabulario, pero...
That's popular over there as well. Let's have a look. Busy. And we'll go to that other place.
Y yo en contraprestación le voy a dar una cerveza gratis diaria por toda la eternidad. Cerveza que se sigue dando acá por esa camino de Lumix y acá vienen todos los días los flamencos a tomar su cerveza.
So this is the money.
So we're about to head into beer tellier, which has free beer and topless bartenders. You see a little gap coming now, so I'll shoot when that gap appears after this gentleman in the gilet.
Oh, sorry.
Do you want me to do it?
No, so thank you. It's okay.
Why should we sit here then? Now Zen TV welcomes you into the centre of Bruges and to the beer tellier. So I'm just having a nice light blonde, so I've got to drive, and it's only 6% and you're allowed 2, so I'll just have the 1, but I'll not be driving for a few hours and I've got a bite to eat to come, so don't shoot me. So Bruges city centre is a really beautiful place. First time I've been here. Lots of cobbled streets, lots of canals, somewhat similar to Amsterdam. Very clean, absolutely zero beggars, zero dog do. Yeah, very nice place. Highly recommend it. I'm just about to try a little bite to eat a goat burger, greatest of all time. Actually, it's a goat cheeseburger. So Angus beef, goat cheese, fries, and I'm going to have some onion rings and cheese sauce with it, so I'm sure it'll be delicious. I'll keep you posted on that one. I'm not a food review man, but yeah, it's always nice to know if there's a nice dining place available. So, speak to you soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and click the notification bell so you don't miss future broadcasts from Now Zen TV. Okay, bye for now.